In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match animation across slides in PowerPoint. This process is a fantastic way to ensure that your presentations look professional and cohesive, helping you to captivate and engage your audience from the first slide to the last. Let's begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've got it open, you can either start fresh with a new presentation or open an existing one. It's a good time to add in all the photos, tables, and any other content you'll be working with if you haven't done so already. This step sets the foundation for your animation work and ensures that everything is in place. Now, identify the object that already has the animation you want to replicate across other slides. It could be a text box, an image, or even a shape. Click on this object to select it. Once selected, head over to the Animations tab on the ribbon. Here, within the Advanced Animation group, you'll find a super handy tool called the Animation Painter. This tool is going to be our best friend throughout the process. With your object selected, click on the Animation Painter button. This action allows you to copy the animation settings from your selected object. If your goal is to apply this animation to just one other object, a single click on the Animation Painter button is all you need. After you've clicked it, simply navigate to the object on another slide where you'd like to apply the animation, and give it a click. Voila! The animation style is transferred instantly, providing a seamless transition. However, if you have multiple objects that need the same animation applied, we'll approach it slightly differently. Instead, you're going to double-click the Animation Painter button. This will lock the function, allowing you to click on as many objects as you need across different slides. This method is perfect when you have a consistent animation effect that should transition through various parts of your presentation. As you move across your slides, just click each object you want to receive the animation. Once you've animated all the desired objects, it's important to turn off the Animation Painter. You can do this by either pressing the ESC key on your keyboard or clicking the Animation Painter button again. This simple step ensures you don't accidentally copy the animation to more objects than intended. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll have your animation matching smoothly across slides, giving your presentation that polished and unified look. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you create more compelling and effective presentations. Stay creative and keep experimenting with animations to find what works best for your style.